talk to her like
that? Why would you come and talk to my woman like that?
Why? Yes, I have right to
Who said you read?
I have right to talk.
For who?
My brother.
Even
my brother, even for him to be able to.
I don't need that number. Not be my uncle again. Not be my uncle. You're not my uncle. I don't know you from anywhere. What would come and give you the go?
Your uncle is coming for your own.
You can't control your family. See your life. You can't control your family.
No, even from now, you go follow your brother. Where am I going to go?
You will carry me go. You will carry me
follow your brother. Because where am I going to go?
My brother does not do any bad thing for me.
Go and talk to your children. You don't talk to your family. You don't talk to your family. From today, I don't know you. You don't know me. I swear to God, if you come back again, I go fight them. I go beat them. Oga, listen to me. Listen to me.
Control your
carry your sister. You
have age. You are growing.
You person come my house. You don't tell me when you come to my house. Come to my woman anyhow.
You are growing.
Go back to your husband's house. Go and meet your wife. Go and fix your family. Go and fix your family.
My brother,
go and fix your family.
Leave him because now he just said that.
Because then you.
Don't talk to me like that. You were the one that come and carry me. Don't talk to me like that. Don't insult me because of.
Alex, very much. Alex.
What I see for social media? What do you mean writing for social media?
Alex, I am asking you, what
do you do for this place?
See your life. You can't control your family. I used to call me yesterday. I was here since in the morning.
With this man,
I was here since in the morning.
I will start calling with this man.
You.
Calm down first.
Calm down. Let me tell you what I want to tell you before I go. See your life. You are winning. You are going around.
No,
planning here.
No, I'll make a face.
Planning here.
Come on, I for my life.
We'll stop.
Come on, make
this problem. You can't control your family. Number one.
What is my problem now?
Control him. Warn him. Advise him.
Who called this man?
He's going out of
What is the problem now?
Thank you very much.
Who called this man? Call this compound.
My sister called me.
I go to work.
My sister called me.
What do you mean the meaning of this thing? What do you mean the meaning of this nonsense? Why is it for social media?
What do you see?
Because of
why you call this compound? Why you call this compound?
My sister called.
Why you call this compound?
My sister called me that you are so-called. I don't know.
Go begin to go.
What did she go?
Make it enter. Follow your brother. Make it begin to go.
What? Why can't you control?
No, I don't follow my family. You need to follow your brother. Follow.
all these things that I'm doing is for your own sake.
Do it for who?
You don't have peace in the house.
Why would you talk to my woman like that?
Don't insult her. Why do you talk to her like that?
Why would you come and talk to my woman like that?
Why? Yes, I have right to
Who said you read?
I have right to talk.
For who?
My brother.
Don't you dare say what I said.
My brother, even for him to be able to.
I don't need that number. Not be my uncle again. Not be my uncle. You're not my uncle. I don't know you from anywhere. What would come and make you go?
It's your uncle. It's your uncle.
You are planning here.
Don't insult your uncle.
You are enjoying. You are enjoying.
You
are doing lots.
I don't have any other person.
Make a no vex.
You can't control yourself. You can't control your family.
You can't control your family for your own.
You can't control your family. See your life. You can't control your family.
No, even from now, you go follow your brother. Where am I going to go?
You will carry me go. You will carry me
follow your brother. Because where am I going to go?
My brother does not do any bad thing for you.
Listen to me.
Your uncle does not do any bad thing.
I'm going to invite you.
From
today, don't go to my compound again.
When I was here, I asked Mommy Marble, so what is your problem?
Who wants you to come to this place for?
Insulting me. Embarrassing us.
Who are you?
Insulting my sister.
Do you have this?
Talking a lot of things.
Why do you use this? Why do you use this?
She's not.
Because you. She's not kill me. Because you.
Don't talk to me like that. You were the one that come and carry me. Don't talk to me like that. Don't insult me because of.
Alex, very much. Alex, control.
Oga, listen to me. Listen to me.
Control.
Carry your sister. You
have age. You are growing.
You person come my house. You don't tell me when you come to my house. Come to my woman anyhow.
You are growing.
Go back to your husband's house. Go and meet your wife. Go and fix your family.
What was happening?
Go and fix your family.
My brother,
go and fix your family.
Leave him because now he just said that. Since morning time the house was not
from today. Don't me. Don't talk.
I love you. Behave well. Control your family. My friend, control your family.
Oh, to go to me. If you come to this compound, if I see this man again for this
compound,
I'll get on the
I'm going for
if I see you again for this compound, Me and you go fight.
You want to be in the cell.
You are the disgrace to the
You
world.
want to be in the cell because of what? He's doing good to you. He's doing
our family.
you good.
You can't control your family. You are disgrace to us. I'm not coming here again. If you like, yeah, go to hell. Do what you want to do. Huh? But I am telling you, my brother did not behave this way. My brother did not behave this way.
Because of
This attitude
what was happening in the morning. I told you the number.
It's not our family attitude. It's not our family attitude. It's not our family
Let me
attitude.
see. If I see a police come back, me and you go fight.
Be aware.
Listen, I say if I see a police come back, me and you go fight.
So because of woman that you want to fight your uncle. Because of
You can't control the family. See.
Hey, madam. I
don't go.
Respect yourself.
I don't go. I don't go.
I live my life.
I was
If
in
they
the
want to kill me,
place
anybody
where
want to
I
kill me,
was.
kill me.
You
I'm
come
not
and
gonna
catch
die.
me.
If they want to kill me, I'm not gonna kill me.
You
If they want to kill me,
Now,
better kill me.
she said I should not touch.
I am going. But behave well. Behave well.
Your uncle does
You are
not.
This is the
growing.
problem with this one now.
You are growing. You are growing. You are growing year by year, day by day. You are growing. Behave well. Alex, I am telling you
Today,
today.
I don't know you.
Well.
You don't listen to me. Go
Go and talk to your children.
You don't your family. From today, I don't know you. You don't know me. I swear to God, me if you come back against that, I go fight them.
Do everything.
I go beat them.
See you.
You will not fight your uncle.
See you.
You want to carry
you want to
carry cross.
If you beat me, that is a cost to you.
If I see a police come back, I go beat you.
A very big
Can I make it
cost
as this?
Because of what? Because of money.
Anytime you carry your phone, you go.
Because of money that you want to fight your uncle.
Anytime you carry your back, you go.
I don't go. You were the one that brought me to this house because of wrong thing that your woman did. Eh? Every day.
Until why that man lied to us say my
We
mother
don't keep
insulting.
quiet.
We said that lady no insulting.
Number one, do you see?
Why should you people like
This morning time, the problem
like that kind of lie on top of her head?
Alex was not here.
Why should you people make that
I
kind
called his number and the